Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna do the unboxing of the HP Pavilion x360 convertible laptop. This is the model number if you guys want to pause it and check the model number. So this laptop comes with the Intel Core i5 quad-core processor. It has a 256 gigabytes solid state drive, 8 gigabytes of RAM. It doesn't have optical drive. It comes with the Windows 10 and it's a 14-inch full high definition display, 1080. It's 250 nits brightness. It comes with a touchscreen, multi-touch enabled, has a fingerprint reader, and the sound is by B&O. So now I'm gonna do the actual unboxing. Let me just cut this. Alright, let's see. I got this laptop at Best Buy for $500. Regular price is $700. And I got this one in gold. It's kind of silver gold. And let's see. And as you guys can see, it comes with the setup instructions. And then I believe this is the warranty. Yeah, this is the warranty, and I believe I'm missing the charger. Yes, I am. So it comes with charger 2-in-1. It comes with the extension and the charger. The charger has the regular plug-in. It's not USB-C like some other laptops. Has a decent sized cord. And let's move on to the laptop. Let me open this up. Oh, the laptop looks beautiful. So this laptop is, as I mentioned, it's 14-inch. It's about 3.5 pounds and 0.7 inches thick, or I should say thin. And let's open it up so I can remove the cloth that comes inside. Ooh, it looks beautiful. So as I already mentioned, it's 14-inch. It has a very nice speaker grill. It's by B&O. It also has a fingerprint sensor, fingerprint reader. Has a beautiful trackpad. It's very wide, very big trackpad. And let's go see what's on the right side. On the right side, you have the SD card expansion. You have a USB-C. And you have USB, this is 3.0, and you have HDMI output, which is quite amazing to have a full HDMI output on these. And this is the charging port. And let's check the left side. On the left side, you have USB 3.0 and you have a headphone jack. And then you have, this is a cooling fan, just a grill for, you know, if it gets too hot, this is the grill. And that's about it. Let's see the bottom. It has another cooling vent. And that's about it on this one. I'm gonna do a full review. I'm gonna use it for a couple weeks, and I'm gonna give you guys my honest opinion about the laptop. Thank you guys for watching.